It's
all
crazy
instructions.
gorgeous. Look at this. This is top of the line design. How long have you been designing flowers?
5 days.
5 days. Spin it. It's spectacular. A spectacular tabletop design. Show me your bouquet next to it. Look at that. Hold it still. Right there. It's a classic all rose bouquet. How hard was that to do?
Oh, so easy. I didn't think that I was going to be able to do it.
She didn't think she would be able to bring that bouquet and set it down on the table. Here's a rock star looking full centerpiece. Spin it, yeah, spectacular. What did you learn this week that you were surprised about?
I learned that I can do it.
Yeah.
It's so easy.
Here, I love this one. Spin it around. It's a little bit of that boho rock. This is the one they're going to like the best. This is the classic. You're the new boho. So beautiful. I would love this in my home. I'm going to thread you down a little bit. I would just love that bouquet in a vase in my home. Spin it a little bit. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. What did you find was the surprising thing you learned in class?
That it's not just about having a little talent, but all the technique that you teach us, so everyone can do it.
I know. I call it equal opportunity employer. These girls are rock stars. They've only been doing flowers for 5 days. Follow the formulas and it works. How you did that, I cannot.
Believe that.
I can't. No, I can't. You're like a mosaic artist. You pick up your flowers and you know just where to put them. My camera wants to stare at this all day long. This is so pretty. I don't believe. Look at this work. This is top of the line anywhere in the country. Yes, anywhere. In New York, they would hire you on a split second. I love it. Spin it around. Beautiful, beautiful. Flowerschool101.com. Janet, how hard was that to do? It's a masterpiece.
Not hard at all.
Let me see your bouquet. Oh, she's got this classic combination of the solid mass, and then she woolly mammoth it, I call it. She went rogue around the edges and threw in that bohemian wild thing, which makes it so interesting and so really, really chic and beautiful. Point it at the camera. Look at that, close up.
I think it just boosted my confidence that, I'm so glad I had formal training though, because the technique
it's all about formal training.
It really is, and
Look
I'm
what she
so
did.
grateful.
Look what she did. Again, I'm telling you, this is top notch. Any of these New York high-end floral studio. Now, all I have to say is thank you, girls, because I am thrilled. I'm always thrilled.
Thank you, Mike.
Wow.